that's a great question. Well, there's benefits to the animals, to the environment, and to your health. So let's start with one of them. The reason why I went vegan, for the animals. To put it into perspective for you, a 20-year-old non-vegan has consumed over 5,000 living sentient beings in his or her lifetime. And also, did you know that a pig is smarter than your dog or a 3-year-old child? It's pretty crazy to think that we kill these living beings, huh? They feel pain, love, anger, sadness, joy, and excitement. So why wouldn't we want to take care of them?